Just close your eyes and let them rest.
Hi, welcome to another video. I decided I would come outside to film this video because number one, it's a beautiful day. I live in the hill country of Austin, Texas, so it feels more like summer here. It's like about 90 degrees, very windy. I love the wind. I love the wind chimes. It is hard to film in that condition. However, it is so worth it for me to show you guys the garden update. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to give you a tour of the garden now. I'll kind of talk to you through the tour and kind of give you updates on things. And so you don't have to just look at my face while I walk around. I'm just gonna show you what's going on, new life, new updates all over, the beauty of everything. I just have to share it with you. So I'm going to also have quiet time or just play music because we all need that. We all need it. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you enjoy.
I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do your best. 'Cause there's a place that I go to when I wanna hide from all the shades of blue. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall. When the snow begins to sing goodnight to warm. But I will never leave your side. You're the reason to all my pride. Never wither and runs dry. And your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend, our love remains, but not this way. I'm in your garden. Just feel the wind. If you look close, you see the lilies dance and how they slowly grow. I'm counting years as they go by. Now all the lilies gone and days is brought to life. 'Cause I